Hi, Russ Gaspard here for my week 2 project video in mobile development, Java 2, and it's 14:11. So I put so many hours into this, it's probably 30 hours, but I'm pleased to say that I did get everything working. I was able to implement a preference fragment. It allows the user to select options to retrieve data from the web or to use local data only. I also provided the ability to clear local storage. I was able to successfully implement a portrait layout that switches to a spinner in a fragment and a landscape view that uses the list fragment. And I did change the background color and rename the app as well. If you want to take a quick look at the app, here it is in landscape mode, and I'm searching the API. So I can search for a beer from Brewery DB. So if I want to search for any beer with the search term I in it, then it'll bring up all these different beers, Pig's Eye, Wolf Eye, and I can select from the list view, and it's pulling the title, the alcohol content, the bitter units, and maybe a description. And the same thing works in landscape. Maybe I'm going to look for a fish beer now, and I have all the fish beers now listed in a spinner. I can come up here and launch my settings page and change the data source from the searching the Brewery DB API to viewing local data only. And then if I click here to dismiss my settings page, I've implemented a third fragment here where I've got another spinner that allows you to kind of recall any of these previous searches. So here's all my cat beers on the bottom spinner. If I want to look here where I searched for dog beers earlier, then I have all the dog beers at my disposal. So if we want to take a quick look at the code, it ended up getting pretty complicated. You can see here I have my beer object, my list fragment, a detail fragment, the local fragment is the one with the other spinner view in it that allows me to dig through that local data, and the search fragment is the one that shows if you're actually typing in a search term to search on the web. Here's my settings fragment for my preview or my preferences activity, and my spinner fragment that I use in place of the list view. So this was pretty challenging. It seems like everything I did, I got stuck, and it took many hours to get unstuck. But I'm really pleased to have worked through it all, and definitely learned a lot from this. My storage, I just want to show you one thing in the code here. I'm actually storing a hash map, and in the hash map under each key is an array list, and in each array list is an array full of my custom beer objects. So it's really nested data storage that I'm pulling back out and populating the different fragments as appropriate. Here it is right here. So here's my data store format. It's a hash map of array lists of beer objects, and putting that into my object stream. So enjoyed it. Looking forward to see what's coming up next week. Thanks.